all. I am Mahesh from Eagle Solutions. Today we are here with ma'am. Ma'am has purchased a new Baleno Nexa blue color. How is your experience, ma'am, in Zem Nexa?
I have purchased Baleno Nexa from Baleno Zeta from Nexa showroom, which is under Gem Motors. I have a very fond memories with this, and this is the first and last showroom which I've visited, because I'm very much satisfied with the experience which I've got from these guys, and especially Lakshman. He is my relationship manager. He has been very flexible. He was very friendly with me, and most of the times he had a very good smile, which is the positive attitude which has attracted me to buy, especially from this showroom. I've of course inquired from other showrooms also, just to find out the difference between the brand, but I did not like the way they spoke to me, so I can definitely refer this showroom to be a very friendly showroom, and even the guys who are explaining you about the car or about the prices, they are very friendly with you, and I can definitely say that I have got some positive vibes from the showroom. So yeah, I will definitely refer this showroom for any of my friends or any of my other relatives who are definitely looking to purchase a car. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. And your relationship manager. Out of 10, how much would you like to rate him, ma'am?
I'll definitely say 9, above 9 out of 10. He was very cooperative. Most of the times he was very frank when he was explaining about the price, or whether explaining about any other feature. Everything was transparent. That's the special feature which I liked from Lakshman.
Okay, ma'am. Last but not least, ma'am. Ma'am, before choosing this vehicle, did you check any other variant vehicles, ma'am?
I did not go to any other showrooms other than Maruti, though. I checked Ignis, I checked Baleno, and I think that's the only two things. Other than Maruti, I did not go to any other showrooms.
Okay, ma'am. Last question, ma'am. Will you recommend your friends and family to buy a vehicle in Zem Nexa, ma'am?
Yeah, as I said, definitely. I have very good attachment with and relationship with these guys, so definitely I'll refer to any of my other friends, or in fact, my one of my friends are looking actually. That's what I even told to Lakshman, that I'll definitely refer his name and this showroom.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, and congratulations, ma'am, for your new vehicle, Belly.